I am Aligar Lingappa, Assistant Professor, Government Postgate College, Sirguppa. Today, we have discussed about AC circuit containing a resistor, inductor, capacitor, simply called as LCR series circuit, under the chapter alternating current. In previous class, what we know that, what about the relation between current and voltage in case of a LR circuit? Then similarly, the relation between current and voltage in case of CR circuit. Today, we have discussed about what about the relation between current and voltage in LCR circuit, LCR series circuit. If the inductor, capacitor and a resistor, if they are connected in series with AC source, then what about the relation between current and voltage? So look here, AC circuit containing, so LCR, that means there are of three components, circuit elements, they are connected in series. L, self-inductance of the coil, C, capacitance of the capacitor or resistance of the resistor. Let E is equal to E naught e to the power of j omega t. Let this the equation number 1. That means EMF applied across the combination. So the EMF applied across the combination E is equal to E naught e to the power of j omega t. Let this is the equation number 1. Potential difference across resistance R. Then what about the potential difference across the inductance L? Then a potential difference across the capacitance C. A potential difference across resistance R is VR is equal to IR. In case of pure resistor, there is no phase difference between EMF and current. That means both they are in the same phase. Then a potential difference across inductance L is VL is equal to JIXL, where XL inductive reactance. It is the amount of opposition offered by the inductor to the flow of alternating current. So in this case, EMF leads the current by pi by 2. That means in pure inductor circuits, EMF leads the current by pi by 2 or current lags the EMF by pi by 2. Similarly, potential difference across the capacitance C is VC is equal to minus JIXL XC, where XC is known as a capacitive reactance. It is the amount of opposition offered by the capacitor to the flow of alternating current. In case of pure capacitor AC circuit, EMF lags the current by pi by 2 or current leads the EMF by pi by 2. So called the relation between EMF and current or voltage and current in case of a pure capacitor circuit. So similarly determined what about the relation between current and voltage, current and EMF in case of a LCR series circuit. Then the total EMF applied to the circuit, that means the combination which is given by E is equal to VR plus VL plus VC. So E is equal to IR plus JIXL plus minus JIXC, where I, which can be taken as the common factor, E is equal to I into R plus J into XL minus XC. So then further, which can be written as I is equal to E by R plus J into XL minus XC. Let this is equation number 2. Let Z cos pi is equal to R. We know that R cos pi power factor is equal to a resistance by impedance, where impedance is the amount of opposition offered by the circuit elements, such as resistor, inductor and capacitor, to the flow of alternating current. And XL minus XC is equal to Z sin pi. Let this is equation number 4, where Z impedance in the circuit, pi phase difference between current and EMF or current and voltage. Squaring and adding equations 3 and 4, so then we will get R square plus XL minus XC whole square, which is equal to Z square cos square pi plus Z square sin square pi, then is equal to where Z square, which can be taken as the common factor, Z square into cos square plus sin square pi, where cos square pi plus sin square pi, that must be equal to 1, so which is equal to Z square. Then further Z is equal to root of R square plus XL minus XC whole square. Last, this is equation number 5. So called this the expression for impedance in case of LCR series circuit. Impedance, it is the effective opposition offered by the resistance, inductance and capacitance to the flow of alternating current. From the equations 3 and 4, so let 4 by 3 is equal to Z sin pi by Z cos pi, which is equal to XL minus XC by R. Then tan pi is equal to XL minus XC by R. Then pi is equal to tan inverse of XL minus XC by R. Let this is equation number 6. We know that equation 3, Z cos pi is equal to R, then cos pi is equal to R by Z, which is equal to R by root of R square plus XL minus XC whole square. Let this is equation number 7, the expression for power factor. Substituting equations 1, 3 and 2 in 1, 3 and 4 in 2. Then I is equal to E naught e to the power of j omega t. It was Z cos pi plus Z sin pi, which is equal to E naught e to the power of j omega t by Z into cos pi plus J sin pi, which is equal to E naught by Z into where e to the power of j omega t, where cos pi plus J sin pi, which can be written as e to the power of j pi. I is equal to I naught e to the power of j omega t minus pi. Let this is equation number 8. From the equations 1 and 8, equation 1 is equal to E naught e to the power of j omega t. Equation 8, I is equal to I naught e to the power of j omega t minus pi. So equation 1 and 8. So which gives the relation between current and voltage in LCR series circuit. It is clear that the current in LCR circuit lags behind the EMF by pi. So that means EMF leads the current by pi when XL is greater than XC. Inductive reactance is greater than capacitive reactance. If XL is greater than XC, pi is positive, current lags the EMF by pi. If XL is less than XC, pi phase difference is negative, the current leads EMF by pi. If XL is equal to XC, so if pi is equal to 0, that indicates there is no phase difference between current and voltage. If XL is greater than XC, then the circuit is said to be inductive circuit. If XL is less than XC, that means XC is greater than XL, then the circuit is said to be a capacitive circuit. If XL is equal to XC, then the circuit is said to be a resistive circuit, that means pure resistance circuit. So, under that condition, the current and EMF are said to be in same phase. So, the relation between current and voltage and current and EMF in LCR series circuit is where from equation 1 E is equal to E naught e to the power of j omega t. From equation 8 I is equal to I naught e to the power of j omega t minus pi. This is only when XL is greater than XC. So under that condition, we stated that the current lags the EMF by pi, or EMF leads the current by pi. So called the relation between current and voltage or current and EMF in LCR series circuit. That means the AC circuit containing a resistor, inductor and capacitor. Thank you.